guys, welcome to or back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to organize the top drawer of my dresser. What I have in here is products like my body lotion, my deodorant, earrings, perfumes if I had any, and before I cleaned it, I had way more than I needed. So many things that I didn't even use, creams I've had for so long. So I decided to go through things finally because I'm always going back and forth from my house to my boyfriend's house. It makes it a lot easier to just grab and go with the things that I usually do use. So right now I'm kind of organizing all of my lotions together, seeing what I have multiples of, and getting rid of anything that is old or unused. I think it's really important to group things by category so that you see how much you really have of the same thing, and it kind of opens your eyes to seeing, do you really need all of these things? And if you see in my hand right now, I was holding a camera case, which was from an old digital camera I had. And now what I use that for is when I travel, I put my earrings or jewelry in there so it's not getting stuck in random bags with anything else. And my earrings, what I use for that is, it's an old egg crate that was like one of those ShopRite, I forget how many count, but a large square-shaped egg crate, and I cut I believe it was the inner lid off, and I used that for my earrings. I found it very convenient. I used to have a jewelry organizer that I actually paid about $15 for, and it just felt too bulky, too permanent, unnecessary. I really don't have that much in jewelry, and all of my jewelry is nothing real anyways, so I just like the look of that better. I like the clear, clean look, so I left it as is. So as you can see, I'm kind of going through figuring out, do I want to keep this, do I want to throw this out, and you're just seeing basically my process. I sprayed the spray that I was holding in my hand to see if I really liked it or not, because I have 3 sprays, and I'm pretty sure I've had those sprays for many years at this point, so I'm not even sure if they even have any scent anymore. I really don't use body spray all that often. Usually I get these things for Christmas, and I try to use them as much as I can. I just forget because it's not a part of my routine. Another thing I keep in this drawer is my makeup bag, which is what I had just put away. I use this for travel, and it's easier to just pick it up from this drawer since there's so much room. And here I'm emptying old jewelry that I had been traveling with and putting it away in my egg crate jewelry holder. And in this next clip, you'll see that I finally finish. I have exactly what I need and nothing more. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe if you're interested in these videos, and I'll see you next time.